Hi everyone, welcome to my video series on back to school in the math classroom. I'll be doing a series of videos just to give you some ideas on what's important to look for and to do as you start your new school year with your new math teacher. Today's video is on actually reading the syllabus. Crazy, right? But it's so important. There's so much information there. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell up in the top right so you can get notification when the next video drops. So today's topic is on syllabus. Now I know half of you have just fallen asleep, but I'm telling you, wake up! It's really, really important that you look at it. Nowadays, the syllabus is probably online, or it could be a handout that the teacher gives the student. Make sure both the student and you read the syllabus. There's just so much important information in there. This is going to give you things like testing information, might tell you when the quizzes happen and what you can use on the quizzes. It'll probably tell you how to do the homework. And of course, it will tell you what supplies you need for the math class, textbook if it's online or in person, and probably if they have an online presence, how to log on to the teacher's website or the school system. All right, so let's look at a couple of these things. If you're using the computer to do your homework and to turn it in and to grade it, then I want you to right away log into the system, because you need to make sure that you can get in there correctly. You don't want to waste time when it's that first math assignment and you're nervous anyway. Just figure out how to get in there and log in. Can't do it. Make a note of that and make sure you ask somebody, how do I get into the system? Or maybe even have them show you how to do it. Another really important thing is how to contact the teacher. Now, a lot of people think, oh, I don't want to bug the teacher. But the thing is, teachers love it. We're always the one having to communicate with you. We love it when you communicate with us. Plus, you need to test out the contact that they gave you in the syllabus. So if it's email, shoot them an email and just say hi, who the student is, what class they're taking. The other thing probably there is the phone number to get hold of the teacher. So, okay, people, I want you to grab your phone and right now put in that teacher's phone number and their email so you have it when you actually need to get hold of the teacher. Do it now. So today's topic is about the syllabus. Make sure you read it. If there's things there you just don't understand, maybe the grading system you don't really understand, jot those down so that you can ask those questions either in person or through an email contact. And next time when we meet on this video series, we're going to talk about what you should put in that contact with the teacher.